Welcome to another project here at Houston Paint Protection. This truck came to us for our new vehicle protection package. This was a combination of two of our most popular services, paint protection film and ceramic coating. We started with our 4-step prep process, which cleans and decontaminates the surface to ensure that no debris makes its way into the installation. Paint protection film is that clear barrier of film that's typically applied to high impact areas on the front end to protect against rock chips, scratches, bug stains, and everyday wear and tear. We offer several paint protection film package options based on your budget, driving habits, lifestyle, and how much of the vehicle you'd like to protect. This customer chose our full front paint protection film package, which includes the full front bumper, full hood, both fenders, side mirrors, and headlights, along with coverage for the B pillars, which are notorious for getting scratched up through daily use. One thing we always remind our customers is that every package is fully customizable. You're never locked into a standard package, so you get the protection you actually need without paying for coverage you don't. Next, we topped everything off with our 5-year ceramic coating to enhance the gloss, make routine washing much easier, and provide added UV protection for the paint and exterior plastics. For ceramic coatings, we offer 2-year and 5-year options. Both options go through the exact same prep process and installation. The main difference is the longevity of the coating. While today's video focused on this truck, these protection options are available for every make and model. Paint protection film is what we're known for, and we've had the opportunity to protect thousands of vehicles here in Houston. If you have any questions about our services, please contact us using our website or giving us a call.